1. Start by identifying and acknowledging your strengths. Every individual possesses unique qualities and abilities that can be harnessed to overcome challenges. 2. Instead of shying away from difficulties, embrace them as opportunities for growth. Challenges build resilience and character, shaping you into a stronger person. 3. Cultivate a positive outlook on life. Focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Optimism fuels determination and perseverance in the face of adversity. 4. Define specific, achievable goals for yourself. Having a clear sense of purpose provides direction and motivation to push through obstacles. 5. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take decisive action towards your goals, even if it means stepping out of your comfort zone. Progress comes from taking consistent, bold steps forward. 6. Failure is not the end, but a stepping stone towards success. Instead of letting setbacks discourage you, use them as valuable learning experiences.